In a stunning and unprecedented development that has rocked the world of women's sports, former Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi has officially won her high-profile legal battle against WNBA superstar Brittney Griner, a ruling that has delivered what many are calling the heaviest punishment ever issued in modern sports history for cheating. The months-long courtroom drama reached its climax late yesterday when a federal judge ruled in Bondi's favor. Her legal team successfully argued that Griner had knowingly violated competitive fairness regulations during international competition. The decision has effectively ended Griner's hopes of joining Team USA at the 2025 Paris Olympic Games, leaving her legacy in tatters. "This case is not about celebrity, it's about accountability," Bondi declared outside the courthouse. "Cheating in any form, especially on the world stage, can never be excused." Today's ruling proves no athlete is above the rules. Griner, a two-time Olympic gold medalist and one of the most dominant figures in women's basketball, stood accused of using a banned performance enhancer during training camps leading up to international qualifiers. Though she and her attorneys vehemently denied the accusations, claiming supplement mix-ups and clerical errors, prosecutors unveiled lab documentation and eyewitness testimony that painted a damning picture. The evidence was enough to sway the court, and the world of sports may never be the same. The ruling doesn't stop at Olympic disqualification. The International Basketball Federation, FIBA, announced an immediate 3-year suspension of Griner from all FIBA-sanctioned events. Combined with potential contract voids, endorsement fallout, and WNBA reviews, experts estimate the financial toll could exceed tens of millions of dollars. For Team USA, the loss of its towering 6'9" center raises urgent questions about roster depth heading into the Paris Games. Griner wasn't just a force on the court, she was a mentor, a locker room leader, and a face of the program. "Her absence changes everything," said one Team USA insider. "It's a hole you can't just fill overnight." Legal experts are already labeling the case as historic. "This will be studied in law schools, ethics panels, and Olympic committees for years," said Georgetown sports law professor Karen Delgado. "The precedent here is monumental. It proves courts can play a decisive role in international sports integrity." Reaction across the sports world has been fierce. Many fans praised Bondi for standing firm. "Too often, the biggest names skate by. Today proves that no one is above the rules," Bondi said, visibly emotional after the verdict. Others were less convinced, suggesting Griner was unfairly targeted. "I used to watch Griner and cheer. Now I just feel lied to," wrote one fan on X, formerly Twitter. Another countered, "This wasn't justice, this was a takedown through her agent." Griner released a short, somber statement, "I am heartbroken.